Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, my name is Riah Elena and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm so excited to be showing you guys my new apartment. Recently, me and my boyfriend just got an apartment together, so I'm going to be doing a tour for you guys. Unfortunately, not everything is like picture perfect right now. I'm still getting things together. We did just move in like 2 weeks ago, so that's why I want to show you guys it now, so that way as I grow into this apartment and do like more stuff to it, I can also share it with you guys, so you guys get some inspiration when you guys get an apartment for yourself or with a friend, whatever. So let's just get right into it. I don't want to talk too much. Let's go. When you walk inside, the first thing that you guys are going to see is this huge TV. We have, I'm pretty sure it's like 70 inches, and then we have a bunch of like our electronics, like our Wi-Fi, stuff like that down there. And then moving on into our living room, we have our couch. Sectional, it's like a creamish white color. In this first corner we have the throw blanket and all these cute little pillows right here. Moving on to this part of the couch, we have some more pillows. I think when they were bringing the couch over, they let one of the cushions fly out, but that's okay. We don't really like need a cushion here. It looks really cute with all this right here. Then we have the same exact layout that we had over here, right here, with the same pillows. We have this cute little elephant blanket, and then we have just this colorful pillow right here. All these pillows are from either Home Goods or Pier 1. And then moving on, we have this little lamp right here. This one, it just gives light to like the whole room, and then this one is more for like reading right here. We have Angel, if you didn't see her. She didn't like that. If you didn't see Angel, well, you saw Angel now. We have our litter box over in this corner. I'm not gonna show you guys because that's kind of gross, but moving on, also in the living room, if you turn the other way, we have our balcony, which is my favorite part. Now, moving on from outside of the living room, we're coming into the kitchen now. In the kitchen, we have our sink, our dishwasher, my favorite part, the Keurig for coffee. In here, in this first drawer, we have all of our cups, my mug, all the coffee stuff is up here, and then just like that regular bowl. I don't know what it is. Up here, we have all of our healthy eating stuff. We have our like pantry. And then here we have our plates, our bowls, our spices, and just a bunch of extra stuff. Then we have our stove. Right here we have some placemats because we don't have room for a table in this apartment. So we just use the placemats to eat our breakfast, lunch, and dinner in the living room. We have our refrigerator, freezer, just a bunch of ice trays, and then whatever up here. Then we have this little desk kind of shelf thing. I either want to make this a wine bar or a coffee bar, so stay tuned for all of that. This is why I'm doing this apartment tour right now, so that way I can show you guys all the progress that we make inside of this apartment. Like these cabinets, I don't want them brown, I want them white. So we're going to do that too. Anyway, moving on. On this shelf we have some books, this cute little sign right here. This is from, I want to say, Marshall's. And then we have just like our cat stuff and a few pictures. Moving on to the bedroom now. So first thing you see when you walk into the bedroom is our bed. We have this blanket, which is from Costco. We have this blanket, which is basically our comforter. It is a heated blanket, so we both have our own little temperatures that we want on each side. We have the closet. This side is Chris's, this side is all my clothes.
Sorry.
Moving on, in our bedroom as well, we have the bathroom. This cabinet is my stuff, basically just makeup. And then in here we have Chris's stuff, which is just his deodorant. We have this little medicine cabinet right here. Pink towels in like every room. These are from Walmart. We have this bathtub picture from TJ Maxx. And then this could also pull out to be a vanity. I have just my like hair stuff on there. We have this elephant candle holder in here, and then we have our shower. The shower curtain is from Walmart as well. Going out of the bathroom, on the other side of the bedroom, we have another TV, and then we have our dresser. I'm not going to go into each drawer of the dresser because it's kind of a mess because we have like so many clothes. On top of the dresser, we have our gym key, some headphones, we have some glasses, all of like my Bath and Body Works stuff, like perfumes, lotions. And then this is like Chris's little corner over here. We have these two suitcases for whenever we travel. As you can see, we just went somewhere.
And this in here is just the water heater. Yeah.
So that is gonna be it for this apartment tour, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like these kinds of videos and want me to do more apartment kind of stuff, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys want to see any other kinds of videos from me. Let me know down there. Also subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Are you too close to my face?
No, what are you talking about?
No, I have like something in my eye.
Suck in your stomach.
We're expecting as well.
This is also a pregnancy announcement video. Okay.
My bra is sticking out.
This is a fail.
And the lamp. That'll be it.